Hey guys, welcome back to Learn AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI in Affinity. I'm going to quickly open up my Affinity here, guys, and you will see that as long as you have active Canva account and you're using Affinity, you can easily go ahead and use the power of the Canva AI. So I'm going to just simply create just a basic design right here. And let's say you want to use the Canva AI. All you have to do once you're inside your design is just look towards the upper left hand side. You will see a bunch of options here: vectors, pixels, layout, and here you have Canva AI. You can click on that and you can basically use the power of AI to generate whatever you want. So here in the upper right hand side, you can see you can generate images, you can type a prompt right there, and whatever it is that you want. I'm going to just do a basic test. Let's say create a ripe apple, for example, or ripe banana. And all we have to do is simply click generate. And you will see how easy it is that the Canva AI is going to generate an image for me. Or you can also switch that to vectors if you want to create vectors with the power of AI. You can easily generate that. But if you're using Affinity, you can easily use the power of Canva AI to generate images, and that's going to help you in your design. And look at that. Now, look at the banana. It's generate the banana for me. And if I also want to use the AI to remove the background, all you have to do is look to the upper right hand side. You'll have a bunch of options. As you can see, you have remove background. You click on that and it's going to also remove the background for you. And you can adjust your images and you can do whatever it is that you need to do within AI. How cool is that? Amazing, right? This is just a basic. I'm just showing you the basics. So guys, if you want to use the power of Canva AI in Affinity, this is how you can actually find and use it. With that said, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question and hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.